Hello, my name is John. Welcome to Wata Bot Tutorials. In this video I will explain the bot model in detail. To understand the bot model, please click on the bots option. There you can see bot cards organized by customer. A green dot in the bot name indicates the bot is in production mode, so it cannot be modified or deleted. If the dot is red, then both actions are allowed. In this case, the dot is red, so the bot is in design mode and can be edited. Let's open the card to see the bot model in the bot designer. As shown in the designer, the bot model is a decision tree powered through a series of defined rules that branch out. You can build bot models step by step in the bot designer page. Now let's understand the components of the bot model and the tools available in the designer. Bot state. The bot must know the exact point in which a conversation is taking place to generate responses that are coherent to the active conversation. To do so, the bot uses a state machine that evaluates and determines the given context to respond accurately. Conversations will evolve from one state to the other as long as the purpose of the bot is being accomplished. There is an initial state a bot needs to start new conversations, and all states must end with a responding message to the user. A bot model can have as many states as needed depending on its logic and purpose. This way the bot will be able to respond correctly and efficiently. Every time the bot sends a message to the user, it will be able to transition to a different state as defined by the model. Bot variables. For the bot to be more accurate and able to determine the context of the conversation, besides the state, a series of variables can be defined. During the conversation, those variables are being filled out. It is possible to define as many variables as needed depending on the rules and scope of the bot. There are two types of variables. Let's take a look at each of them. First, chat variables. Chat variables are defined within the chat object and get filled out as the conversation evolves. To create chat variables, please click on the Options tool in the upper right side of the designer. And then click on Conversation Settings to create the list of variables as required. When ready, just click OK to save and make all chat variables available. The scope of chat variables is valid while the conversation lasts. Message variables. The second type of variable is message variables. Message variables are set within the message object and they allow the model to access context information sent by the end user to the bot. The scope of message variables is brief and lasts while the bot determines the next response to the end user. The message object has the following predefined variables. msg.body. It shows the message sent by the user. msg.type. It shows the type of message sent by the user and might have the following values. Chat. For text messages. Image. For images or pictures. Document. For PDF, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents. Location. For GPS locations. Audio. For audio files. Video. For video files. In case the message type sent is different from chat, then the msg.body variable will have the multimedia element in data URL format. The next message variable is msg.contact. It displays the user identifier of the sender. If the bot is using WhatsApp, then the identifier will be the country code, plus the phone number, plus the string, @c.us, msg.profile. It displays the name of the end user if available. msg.email. It shows the email address of the end user if available. msg.channel. It displays the WhatsApp line identifier or the Facebook page in which the bot interacts with the end user. msg.platform. It shows the type of messaging platform, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or web chat. msg.thread. It provides a dynamic token that uniquely identifies the conversation. The Bot Designer. The Bot Designer is a user-friendly tool to build bots. Bots are created in the designer as simple flow diagrams that have the following components: states, steps, and connectors. Each bot diagram starts with a status step, represented with a green flag icon, that links with other steps until a final message step is reached. Types of steps. Step types are essential to building bots. There are 7 types of steps. Status step. This step represents the conversation state. It is the initial step for every state. Condition step. This step evaluates a yes-no condition to determine which path the conversation must follow. Process step. This step is meant to connect the bot to external systems such as an ERP or a CRM to pull or push information by using webhooks. By using this type of step, interaction with core business systems happens in real time. Expression step. This step is provided to make simple calculations using mathematical, numerical, text, and/or date-time formulas. Artificial intelligence step. With this step you can further the intelligence of your bot by adding an extra level of thinking with an AI module. This module understands user intentions based on natural language analysis. Once the intention is recognized, the AI step can provide the proper response. Please refer to the How to Build and Use an AI Module tutorial to learn more. Trace log step. This step enables the bot to record variables or event counting to a log. Resulting logs are useful for reporting and business intelligence. Message step. This is the final step in every conversation state. This step sends a response to the user and evolves the conversation state to process the next end-user message. To build a sample bot, please refer to our How to Create Your First Bot tutorial. Thanks for watching.